When one door of happiness closes, another opens. But often we look so long at the closed door that we do not see the one which has been opened for us. And what OLLI does is it opens doors for us. And the OLLI members are the owners of OLLI. They tell me what to do. They decide what they want to learn. They decide the learning experiences that they want to have, and they support one another. Remarkable to watch people go through those doors and feel the excitement of learning again.
And the neat thing about the University of Illinois and the Institute for Genomic Biology and the Beckman Institute is that we're really collaborative. We do team-based research. We really do transcend traditional boundaries.
And you heard the extraordinary growth and progress that OLLI here is making over the years under the leadership of Kathleen Holden. And under her directorship, this is one of the premier OLLI centers in the country. I was just struck by the amazing interest and engagement of the OLLI members. It was one of the most exceptional teaching experiences I've ever had. Sort of a classroom as a community. Another kind of community on a campus such as this, a major research university, is the laboratory. The laboratory is a community. What would it be like to have an OLLI member embedded in a laboratory as a citizen scientist? So Art and I decided together with Kathleen, to jointly fund a graduate student from the neuroscience program to serve as the mentor for a group of OLLI members to be able to orient them to life in the laboratory, prepare them, help make the matches between the OLLI member and the right laboratory, find that right match, and then serve as an advisor and a mentor for those OLLI citizen scientists.
So when I started off looking for areas that I can get a fellowship from, I found the OLLI Scientist Program. And honestly, I thought, I don't think this can be done. I work in a lab. How can older adults get into a lab and start doing experiments? It takes, I'm not sure. So I decided to do what a scientist would do. I decided to go in and test it. So I joined the program. And I have to say, I'm a believer now. It can be done. And it's been done it's so remarkable to see in our monthly meetings with the OLLI members how much more they're able to explain research to me in basic language. If I had to tell you what I'm doing right now, I'm sure most of you will not understand. But if you ask an OLLI member to do it, they come down, break it down for you, and tell you this is what you're supposed to say. And that has been a very rewarding experience to me. I have learned to explain my research to a layman.
From the moment I walked into that lab, I felt comfortable, and she made me feel that way.
Probably what I've learned more than anything else is there's a lot of different things that go into what can be explained in 15 minutes as kind of an easy process. There's a lot of work that goes into all the research project, and you just, as you go through it, you just are amazed at how much work that the graduate students have to put in to get their research products done.
The one thing that I really have appreciated about the program is I have been allowed to pursue my passion, and my passion is giving back to society. And Arnold Beckman here said, always strive for excellence. And this program has given me a stage on which I can do just that.
It's been a marvelous experience. I've gotten to know some young people that I admire with all of my being. They work hard, they are dedicated, and we are lucky to have them in this university.
There's such a wealth of knowledge among retirees in the United States. And I think we need more meaningful experiences. And if you want to become a scientist when you're 65, why not? The OLLI members in our labs, I think, can be extremely enriching for the faculty as well as for the students.
It's very useful in my lab to have a continuous member besides me who potentially could help train incoming students. So I'm hoping that Toby or other OLLI members that join the lab will actually stay longer than that, than the typical student. That actually could be a very valuable asset to my lab.
I, Toby Shimkin, have been able to put my toe in the ocean of the knowledge that's going to surround us in the decades to come. And I feel very, very blessed to be able to do so.
We're creating ambassadors for science, we're creating ambassadors for the university, we're enriching the experience of the OLLI scientists themselves, and we are enriching the laboratories, their functioning and their abilities. And so for all these reasons, we're really delighted with the first progress of the OLLI Citizen Scientist program, and we're hoping very much to be able to expand it in the future.
What are you going to do with the rest of your wonderful life? And this is what OLLI is all about, and this is why we're so grateful to Mr. Osher for having this vision and for funding it, and for putting the burden on us to keep funding it and making it good and making it grow. And so this is just a gift, and I'm incredibly grateful to be a part of it.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for listening.